If you've ever tried making a pair of sneakers, or any shoes for that matter, you know you need good patterns. From getting the shape of the panels just right, to ensuring a snug fit, having a precise pattern can make or break your project. In this video, I'll show you how to take a sneaker pattern and make it into a durable acrylic pattern that you can reuse over and over. And I'll show you how this will make your work easier, how you will be able to use the pattern much faster and more precise. It will make your life easier. And this will apply not only to sneaker patterns, it will apply to bags, it will apply to wallets, whatever you're making over and over, an acrylic pattern, it's gonna be a great tool in your workshop. If you've worked with paper or cardboard patterns, you've noticed you can only use the paper pattern once, or how quickly a cardboard pattern will wear out. And this will lead to you having a less precise pattern. And if you're making sneakers in multiple sizes, things can get messy pretty fast. Acrylic templates will solve all these issues. They're rigid, long-lasting, they're transparent, so you can easily align them with your material. And you'll see as soon as you start using acrylic patterns, things will get much smoother, whether you're making this for yourself or as a business. Next, I want to take you through the entire process from preparing your file to cutting everything out of acrylic and using the newly acquired pattern. For this project, I'll be using the xTool P2 laser cutter. It has a 55-watt laser, which means it will cut through my acrylic with no problem whatsoever. Start by opening Tool Creative Space, the included software that comes with your laser cutter. It's free to use, no subs, no hidden fees. And then click on New Project. Connect to your laser cutter. Next, place the acrylic sheet inside the machine and then refresh the camera so you can see what you're working with. And then simply drag and drop the pattern file that you have into the workspace. Click the Ungroup button in case your pieces are tied together, and now you can easily move them around, rotate them and place them precisely on the material. The laser has a pretty large cutting area, but if you can't fit everything together in one go, select what you want to cut later, move them on the side and click this Output button. If unchecked, those pieces will be ignored and you can cut them later by checking the Output button again. Before you start cutting, use the Auto Measure feature to make sure the laser will be properly focused, or of course you can pinpoint exactly where you want the camera to measure the thickness. My acrylic sheet has only about 3 millimeters in thickness, but I'm gonna go ahead and crank the power all the way up to 100 and set the speed to 10, so I will be sure it will cut everything in one go. A bit overkill, I admit, but rather be safe than sorry. This laser is pretty fast, so everything will be ready in just a few minutes. Everything comes out effortlessly, so no worries about that. We're gonna do the other ones. We couldn't fit in there, and then we're good to go. We now have a complete set of acrylic patterns for our sneakers. Look at that. Precise cutout, perfectly smooth edges. Just need to remove the protective film on both sides. And you could go the extra mile here, especially if you're making this for a client, and etch the size of the sneakers these represent, all right? In my case, I'm just gonna use a marker. It will probably go off after a few uses, but next time I'm gonna be at the laser cutter, I'll be sure to engrave the numbers as well. Now, using these templates, it's super easy because since they are transparent, you can place it correctly on the leather, and then because they have the stitching holes marked, marking them on the leather with an owl or with a pen, it's super easy. And because they have solid edges, you can always scratch where you're gonna cut later, or you can actually use the template to cut the leather straight away. Here's a tip. Next time you get an order, rather than printing and assembling paper patterns, why not cut acrylic templates instead? This will make your life much easier. They're more precise and easier to use. And stay till the end to learn how to win these sneaker templates. Remember, these sneaker templates are just an example. You can use acrylic templates for anything: wallets, watch straps, bags, large and small, anything at all that you do repeatedly in your workshop. Acrylic templates will be of great help. And I'm gonna let you in a little secret. My wife Diane is selling small acrylic templates for keychains in her shop, and they are very, very popular. So that's a brilliant business idea for you. If you have a laser cutter, just make sure that you own the rights to the design you sell. Copyright rules are pretty tight these days. And once you have your acrylic templates cut, if you take care of them, they will last forever. So if you're serious about your leatherworking, having one of these laser in your workshop will definitely help and increase your workflow. All right, it'll help you make more money because you'll be able to cut things faster, and you're gonna have a lot of time for design or other things. Now, if you want to use these very templates in your workshop, leave a comment below in this video, and I'm gonna pick a random comment to send these to you free of charge. I'll pay for the shipping and everything. All right, you just tell me your shoe size. I'll cut it out in maybe 5 or 10 minutes, pack it and send it over to you. All you gotta do, comment something down below. While you at commenting, maybe let me know, have you ever used templates to make sneakers before? Have you ever used templates to make anything before? Let me know whether it's good or bad. I want to read all your opinions. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more leatherworking tips, more tool reviews, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you check that little bell notification there, you're gonna be the first one to learn when our next video has been published. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'll see you next time.